Welcome to the Smart Film Installation Guide video. As a first step, carefully unpack the film, handling it with extra care to avoid any damage. Next step, resize the film to fit the glass dimensions if needed. Isopropyl alcohol. Glass razor. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean the glass and a window razor to ensure the surface is smooth. Microfiber towel. Water. Clean the glass and wipe it thoroughly to ensure it is 100% dust-free and water-free before installation. Gently place the smart film on the glass, ensuring a perfect fit. Partially lift the adhesive backing and press that section onto the glass. Gradually peel off the backing while pressing the film down to ensure a smooth application. Sharp scissors. Use a sharp pair of scissors to trim the film to size, if it is larger than needed, ensuring a clean and precise cut. Once the installation is complete, remove the protective layer of the film and enjoy using smart film.